A Chattanooga man faces charges for exposing his 10-month-old to fentanyl. The mother, who is 7 months pregnant, tested positive for the opioid as well.
Dallas Payton has more on the dangers of exposing children to drugs.
If a pregnant mother is exposed to fentanyl or using it, they could experience stillbirth, miscarriage, or preterm labor issues.
It's not uncommon to see cardiac defects in these children. We can also see craniofacial issues such as cleft palates in these newborns.
Hamilton County Health Department Health Officer Dr. Stephen Miller explained that cleft palate is usually common, which happens when there is incomplete fusion of the facial bones. He says the child could live with the defects from the exposure to fentanyl for their entire life.
The first 13 weeks are the most important and crucial. These are the ones that would be most affected by use of fentanyl or use of something like alcohol. It's very teratogenic on the developing fetus. But honestly, the use of fentanyl at any portion, especially at the end of the pregnancy, can cause problems as well.
Miller says health defects can appear even after birth.
One of the things more along the behavioral line is that we see a neonatal abstinence syndrome. It's almost like withdrawal in the newborn that can persist for several weeks or months. This can be irritability, poor feeding. The child won't latch, won't drink milk from a bottle well. They're very fussy. They're hard to settle down. There can also be low birth weight.
Lacey Goldsby with the Hamilton County Health Department says if a woman is battling addiction of any opioid and learn they are pregnant, it's best to seek help.
So we encourage, if you're pregnant and you're struggling with addiction, to reach out to professionals to get a treatment plan started for you. We want every pregnant woman to know that if she is struggling, that there's hope out there and that there are people ready, willing, able to help.
Miller advises pregnant mothers to inform their health provider if they have taken or believe they have been exposed to the opioids during their pregnancy. For Local 3 News, I'm Dallas Payton.